He's cleaning our Steiner. We mow this lawn. We're not done for 3 days. This is what we did. Maybe it's about 2 acres or no? Yeah, 2 acres maybe. Yeah.
Huh?
What we mow is only 2 acres.
Yeah, just around
With 103 acres. Oh my God. We need to be here a month.
That's okay. As long as around the house is clean, you know, nice.
Uh-huh. We're not done yet with our shed. Has to have sanded and painted and put the, what is that? The roof. And we're not done with the tiny home. I could not show it to you yet. That's our view every morning when we're drinking coffee. Yes, and at night, even it's 8 o'clock or 9, it's still light. You still have a light. This is the one they're gonna use for the tiny home. It's our truck. What's that? I don't know. This is the greenhouse, and it still have to have a, you have to have a what, the roof is fine, but they have to sand it and stain it. That's the next neighbor all the way there. This forest doesn't belong to us. This belongs to the city of Morris. This forest is 300 acres, and on that side is ours, 20 acres. That's our forest. That's where we get our wood. He's cleaning it after we use the storage. Just to get away from the city. Hello! That's when you wash your hand after you do the work on the yard. That's the well. It's our propane tanks. Whew. It's our electric. City going to the tiny home. It's the main road. And this is the shed. It's huge. This is part of our land. This is the front. It's our truck. That's not a truck though. We use to come over here. Hello, Mr. Un.